So when it comes to price shoppers, many of us are making an assumption. We're just assuming that they want the lowest price. That's what we assume. Why? Because they asked that question, Clint. They want the lowest price? Actually, many times they don't. Many times they don't. You see, the price shopper mindset is a consumer behavioral pattern. I'm not going to get into psychology today, but I can tell you that it's very predictable, no matter what industry you're in. And that assumption that we make that they want the lowest price, well, lower than who? What is low? What's high? Here's the reality, and this is my belief system, and whether you endorse this or not, I truly believe that when somebody calls and asks for price, they do so because they simply don't know what else to ask. This isn't their industry, it's ours. Yeah, they own a car, but they don't understand this. If they knew what to ask, they would ask, what was the quality of our parts? What's the quality of our warranty? What's the quality of our employees and staff? What's the quality of training? How many hours do you invest in training a year? Do you train everybody or just the A-Tech? What type of equipment do you use and do you keep it updated? How clean is your shop? Will you take care of my car? That's what they should ask, but they don't know to ask that. And there's a process by which we can navigate, redirect the price shopper to change their mindset, to make sure that they understand what's valuable and what's not necessary. It has to be our heart, our desire to transition every price shopper caller from price to value. It has to be what you want to do.